Hello guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be solving another question using the first principle of differentiation. This is the question that I'm going to be solving. I told you in my previous video that the first thing to do is to increase x by changing x, that is delta x, and increase y by delta y. That is, anywhere I see y, I'm going to be substituting y plus delta y, and anywhere I see x in this equation, I'm going to be substituting x plus delta x. Therefore, I'm going to have, let me call this one equation 1. Let's call this equation 1 for easy solving, equation 1. Now, anywhere I see y, I'm going to be substituting y plus delta y. So I'm going to have y plus delta y is equals to 4 into bracket x plus delta x all squared plus 3 into bracket x plus delta x. Now, this is first thing to do. After that, you proceed to expand your right hand side. So I'm going to be having y plus delta y is equals to 4 into bracket, let me put this larger bracket, x plus delta x, then x plus delta x. Let me put this bracket again. So for the next one, I'm going to be having plus 3 into bracket x plus delta x. You can see I've already expanded this. Now after this, the next thing, let's proceed to the next line. I'm going to be having y plus delta y is equals to 4 into bracket. If I expand it, I'm going to have x squared plus x delta x delta x plus x delta x plus x delta x plus delta x squared plus delta x squared plus 3 into bracket x plus delta x. So after multiplying this, I have this. This is the 4 that I have here. So after this, the next thing is to proceed to the next line. Y plus delta y is equals to, okay, let's solve x squared x plus delta x plus x delta x. I'm going to be having x plus this plus 2x 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 delta x, so plus delta x squared plus 3x plus 3 delta x. Now I'm going to be opening this bracket using this 4, so I'm going to be having y plus delta y is equals to 4x squared, 4 times 2x. I'm going to be having 8x delta x, then 4 times the x squared, so plus 4 the x squared plus 3x plus 3 dx. So I've gotten this. The next thing, in my previous video, I told you that you're going to make change in y the subject of the relation. So in order to make change in y the subject of the relation, we have to transport y from this left hand side to the right hand side, and is equals to 4x squared plus 8x dx plus 4 dx squared, 4 dx squared plus 3x plus 3 dx. This will change to minus, so I'm going to have minus y. Now, don't forget that from the first equation, which is y equals to 4x squared plus 3x, I'm going to be substituting this equation as the value of y here. So I'm going to be having the y, changing y, the y, delta y is equals to 4x squared plus 8x dx plus 4 dx squared plus 3x plus 3 dx equals to, minus 4x squared. Instead of this y, I'm going to have a minus into bracket 4x squared plus 3x, 4x squared plus 3x. So let's proceed with the calculation. You can see that the next thing is to open this bracket using this minus sign. So I'm going to have delta y is equals to 4x squared plus 8x delta x plus 4 delta x squared plus 3x plus 3 delta x minus, if this minus multiply this 4x squared, I'm going to have minus 4x squared. If this minus multiply by plus 3x, I'm going to have minus 3x. So I have this equation as this when I open this bracket using this minus. The next thing to do is to look for the parameters that can eliminate each other. If you look at the end here, you can see that minus 4x squared can eliminate this 4x squared. So that is what I'm going to be doing now. For this one, this is gone, and this is also gone. If you look at this minus 3x also, it can also eliminate this plus 3x. So this is also gone, and this is also gone. the next thing is the parameters that I have left is now 8x dx plus 4 delta x squared plus 3 delta x. So delta y is equals to 8x delta x plus 4 delta x squared plus 3 delta x. Those are the parameters that I have left now. Now the next thing is to divide both the left hand side of the equation and the right hand side of the equation by delta x. So I'm going to be having delta x over delta y all over delta x is equals to 8x delta x all over delta x plus 4 delta x squared all over delta x plus 3 delta x all over delta x. Now, if you can see like this, delta x, I have one delta x here, I have one delta x here. So this delta x, we cancel this delta x. So I'm going to be left with 8x. So I'm going to have 8x, then put it delta y over delta x is equals to 8x. Now I have two delta x squared here and one delta x. So one delta x, this delta x, we cancel one delta x here. So I'm going to be having plus 4 delta x plus, now if you look at this, delta x, I have one delta x here, I have a delta x here. So delta x divided by delta x, so I'm left with plus 3. For the next step, I'm going to have dy over dx limits delta x as x tends to 0. So anywhere, what this means is that anywhere I see delta x, I'm going to be substituting 0. So I'm going to have 8x plus 4 into bracket 0 plus 3. So I'm going to have dy over dx is equals to 8x plus 3. Therefore, the derivative of y equals to x squared plus 3x is 8x plus 3 using the first principle.
On this channel, you will find information, concepts explanation, tutorials video with detailed explanation that will assist you in gaining more knowledge and insight. In addition, our channel features past question, solution to questions you are likely to encounter in exam, solution to all past questions. Please kindly subscribe. All questions are solved with simplicity.